Hey guys, I'm Louise and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you all the plants that I bought in November. But before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now, let's get to it. So in no particular order, I would like to start off with showing you my baby Monstera. I have no idea what kind this is, but we have to wait and see once it's fully matured. So this Monstera I bought as a 2-leaf cutting, very big leaves, nearly the size of my hand, and I just absolutely love it. I've always wanted just a regular Monstera because I do have a variegated Monstera, but I just like the green ones as well. And yeah, something really exciting to tell you about this is actually it is bringing out a new leaf right here. As you can see, it is slowly coming out of its shell. I'm really excited to see how big it's gonna get and what it looks like. So yeah, this is my Monstera. So the next plant I'm going to show you, which you have seen in my last video, is my Albo Friday. Look how beautiful she is. I did actually end up cutting off the droopy leaf because it was yellowing. I didn't think it was going to last very long. I just wanted it just to stay there as long as it could, but it started to yellow very quickly, so I chopped it off so the plant would be much happier now, and she's doing so well. She's a bit droopy up here, but like I can't stake her up because that is how it is. I will actually end up snapping the leaf off because of how it is bended, but it's doing absolutely so well and I'm so happy with this one. So this plant I have is a Terrascantia Sabrina. So this is the second time I've bought one. Actually, the first time I actually didn't buy, I got as cuttings from a plant subscription box I used to have, still have currently, which is called Juju Plant Club. She's actually going to be bringing out a uncommon plant cutting subscription box in the future, and I'm hoping to get onto that instead of the regular plant cuttings club. But I just love getting little plant cuttings to either root or yeah, it's just a fun just fun things to do, and it's just really fun to root up plant cuttings and then pot them up and see how fast they grow. So yeah, so this is my second attack at Terrascantia Sabrina. Look how she is doing. She is lovely. I bought her like this. She is trailing. I bought her like this. Yeah, so some of the bottom leaves are like crispy and I have no idea why. I am watering her nicely and I'm letting her dry out. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm really hoping that this one actually loves me, because the cuttings that I got obviously didn't do very well. And a little update on the cuttings that I got from the last plant I had, which actually died off, didn't actually survive at all, which is so annoying. But yeah, I got this one just as a replacement, and I'm really hoping that this one will do well because it did well for the last person. I'm really hoping I don't kill her, so fingers crossed, eh? So I also forgot to mention that I actually bought the green kind of Terrascantia Sabrina. So that one back there, which I showed you, was the purple kind, and this is the green kind of Terrascantia that I bought. I just really loved it, and I just wanted to save it from the supermarket because it was just sitting there with a load of other plants, and this just caught my eye, and I was like, I want it. So yeah, it's all bunched up at the moment only because it was in a really small pot, and it looks to be spreading its wings now, and you know, start training out the pot in a few months hopefully. So yeah, so that's the green Terrascantia Sabrina. So this plant that I'm about to show you, actually I bought as a cutting, and I was really happy to actually come across this. So I found this one on a Facebook plant page that I am on, and this seller was selling a cutting of it, and I was so excited to finally get hands on a variegated string of pearls. Now I'm hoping this is actually really like, this is actually, you can actually see it, but look at those pearls. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. So the reason why this string of pearls is like so small and curled up in the pots at the moment is because basically this came as quite a small cutting, and I didn't want it to just trail over the side, because it could actually trail over the side, but the problem is that it would actually pull itself out of the soil. So the plan is that I'm going to let it grow out. As you can see, it is perking up, so it's going to perk up and over, and hopefully once it's long enough I can chop it, and then I can propagate it, and then I can, you know, I'll get more strings of pearls, and then we can have like a big ginormous plant. So that is my goal for this little one here, and yeah. So another Hoya to my Hoya collection that I have, which is my Hoya Crimson Queen. Absolutely love this Hoya. I mean, I didn't particularly like fall in love with it at first, just like the Crimson Queen. I liked the Crimson Princess more, but then I saw one of these in a store, and I was like, I love that so much. But it was like a really full plant, and I didn't have enough money for it at the time, so I was like, I will just wait on it, and I know that the plant that I want, which is one of these, will come again later on, and I actually got this. So this is a cutting which I bought and potted up, and it's doing so well. So when it arrived, it actually had like a little leaf, and yeah, it hasn't grown at all, but obviously it's winter now, so none of the plants are really going to be growing that fast or at all, apart from my Hoya australis, which its tendril is literally, it's hit the ceiling, and it's crazy because now it's trying to go through the ceiling instead of like going around the wall and stuff, so I might have to sort that out. But yeah, yeah, so I cannot wait for this queen to just grow more leaves, because these leaves are stunning, and I especially love this one. This leaf is amazing. Look at that. Wow. I love it so much now. And last but not least, I want to show you something really cool, and I'm so happy. I actually came across these in just my local supermarket, but yeah, so I saw somebody on my Facebook group that that Tesco's, which is just our local supermarket here in the UK, was selling these, and I was like, oh my god, I need them so much, because they're a cross between ornament and they have real life plants in them, which is amazing. But yeah, so I found them. They were nearby me, because sometimes some stores like sell some things and don't sell others, and I'm so happy that these were actually being sold there. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you. So the first one, so I've got an elephant, I've got a giraffe, and a cheetah. So I'm going to show you the elephant first, because I bought this the other day, because I bought the giraffe and the cheetah together, but the elephant that was there, basically the foot was like, it basically got broken off, and I didn't want to buy it, because that's just like, that's a waste of money if you buy broken things, and it didn't look very nice. So anyway, so yeah, so look at this. Look how cute this is. I love this so much. It is stunning. Oh my god. I would never dream of having like ornaments like this with plants in at all. But when I saw these, I was like, I need them. So I don't know what this plant is. I'm thinking it's some sort of peperomia. I have no idea. So if any of you guys have any idea what kind of plant this is, please comment below, because I cannot figure it out for the life of me. And if it's some sort of peperomia, I don't really know anything about peperomias or the species. I'm not like an expert or anything. But yeah, so they all come in a little pot. So yeah, this looks like to be a... Yep, batters are roots. It's gonna let its pot, but yeah. So I just like I might change this one out and put like a different one in, but at the moment I just kind of like it in there. It just looks cute. So the next one I'm gonna show you is the giraffe, and I love the giraffe. Is like, I don't know what's my favorite, the giraffe or the elephant. I think the elephant's my favorite. So this is the giraffe. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my god. I love like its gold, and I love the texture, and I just love how it looks. And it's got 2 spider plants in, and I'm so happy about that. And the thing is, these are inverted. This is an inverted spider plant, which is actually pretty cool. There's 2 in 1, I think, and it also comes in a little pots. So I just thought it was really cute. I'm definitely not going to change this one out. I'm going to keep the spider plant in here, only because it works really well with the giraffe. And the last but not least, this is the final plant that I have bought in November. And yeah, so this is a cheetah which I have. This is the last of the 3 that that was selling and I got. But look at it. I love the detail. It's crazy. Like, the texture of this ornament is horrendous. It's like horrendously good. It's like not horrendously bad, just like horrendously good. And this one came with a Peperomia Rosso or a Piccolo Banda. I know I've had two people like saying, like, one person saying Piccolo Banda and the other one saying Rosso, because I look on a so what I did is I took a picture of this, put this on the plant page that I'm on, and people were saying Piccolo Banda, but when I went onto a plant selling shop, it said Peperomia Rosso. So I'm just going to kind of cross it between, I think they're both the same plant. But yeah, so it's a peperomia, and I do love this one. I'm thinking of propagating it in the spring once, you know, when it's not winter, because I have basically stopped propagating any of the plants that I have at the moment. And the only things I am propagating is the stuff that I already stuck in water, and I'm propagating since like just before winter, and the stuff that I have bought, so like the Hoya cuttings that I have at the moment, and anything else that I got as cuttings are propagating, but that's about it really. I really hope you enjoyed this short, sweet video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye!